We're Maddie and Em. We've been travelling around Australia since the start of 2021 in our four-wheel drive and rooftop tent. Our journey has taken us to some of the most beautiful locations this country has to offer, and we can't wait to share it all with you. Subscribe to follow our adventures, and we'll see you on the road.
In this episode, we continue exploring Karijini National Park. In part 1, we checked out 2 gorges with some of the most incredible hikes and waterholes. This time, we leave Karijini Eco Retreat to explore another gorge that has us swimming under one of our favourite waterfalls. We then head to the town of Tom Price, where we drive up the second highest mountain peak you can reach in a four-wheel drive in Western Australia.
Pancakes for brekkie. What a treat.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. My mum's actually going to kill me that I'm using this. She'd be appalled. But it's so easy on the road. It's magic.
It's like $2. And we don't do it very much.
Nah, we don't.
We eat oats and Weet-Bix a lot, so. We had a bit of a slower start to the morning, eh?
Yeah, we did. It's been nice though. It's
I got up.
Peaceful here.
I got up at like 5:30 because I just couldn't sleep. The sun woke me up, but you get a little sleep in.
Yeah, I did. It was nice. When I got up though, we've noticed some dingoes hanging around. So
Yeah,
do you reckon they like pancakes?
probably. There was this one guy and he was just creeping around this area, and then we saw him at this other people's camp. But he's too elusive to get on camera, so.
I'm actually so excited for these pancakes. It's been so long since we've had a nice breakfast.
The moment of truth. Close up of this. It's pretty good for a first one.
I'm pretty happy with that.
I'd be happy with that for a first one.
I think we should have a competition.
Yeah?
I think you should do the second one, and then we'll see who's just better.
Alright, you're on.
So I'm actually really proud of that.
I feel like you're disadvantaged a little though because the first one is the
No,
hardest.
don't feel sorry for me.
No?
This is.
You don't-
Have you seen how good this
You
is?
don't want my food. Oh, it's alright.
Okay, second side was a bit bad, but if we just look at this side.
So this is number 1.
Alright, you're on number 2. Give me the camera.
I'll swap you. Alright, anything could happen here because I'm actually only good at barbecuing and clicking tongs. The only reason I'm not fed is because of Emmy.
Can I play the disadvantage first pancake card if I don't win?
Well, let me rewind that clip.
No, don't feel sorry for me. No, don't feel sorry for me.
No?
This is.
You don't-
Have you seen how good this
You
is?
don't want my food. Oh, it's alright. Oh, a little bit burnt around the edge, but I reckon if we cut that off.
No, that's not part of the rules.
Why not? Let us know in the comments below. Em's pancake or my pancake. I just want to show you the other side of mine. And I just want to show you the other side of Em's. You be the judge, let us know. Don't feel sorry for her either. Just tell us what you really think.
We do know that these first ones were actually terrible, so the last ones were way better.
These flies are next level.
Yeah, they're really bad.
So plan today, we're going to head over to Dale's Gorge, which is about 45 minutes towards the eastern side of the park from the Karijini Eco Retreat. And we're going to check out Fern Pool and hopefully visit Fortescue Falls.
We've just pulled up at the car park near Dale's Gorge campground, and you can access Circular Pool, Fern Pool and Fortescue Falls from here. But we've just read the sign, and unfortunately Circular Pool is closed due to rock falls, I think.
Yeah, it said rockfall danger on the sign, so...
So we're going to check out Fern Pool and Fortescue Falls instead.
What do you think about that?
Hold your breath.
Don't smash the rocks up. This is Fortescue down here. We just spoke to the ranger, and Fern Pools is only another couple of 100 metres or something past us, so we're going to head up there first and have a bit of a swim and chill out there for a bit.
How cool is this?
So good. We've got the ferns behind us in this cave, waterfall in front, and it's nice and cool. So nice. That was so good. Fern Pools. Definitely put it on the bucket list.
So cool.
Well, we've just come back to Tom Price, which is just outside Karijini National Park, and we've decided to check into a caravan park here for the night. Because sadly our Karijini adventure's coming to an end.
It was such an awesome time though, and it's definitely a place that we're going to come back to. There's a lot more that you can do than what we saw, but it's getting a little hot and we're pretty keen to head to the coast.
Yeah.
Made a little pit stop on the way to Tom Price, which is the visitor centre.
If you know, you know. Em was pretty excited.
Two patches, Tom Price and Karijini, so I was very happy.
Big double. Well, we've got about an hour of sunlight left, so we're going to actually go drive up Mount Nameless, which is the second highest peak. Let me get this right. The second highest peak you can drive up in a four-wheel drive in Western Australia. So
we've been told it has incredible views from the top over Hamersley Ranges. Yeah, thought it would be a good way to end our time in Karijini.
Be nice. All right, we're going to pack this up before we lose the light. We'll see you soon. See you next time.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out our next episode as we head down Western Australia's coast to explore Kalbarri. We stop at some beautiful coastal locations before heading inland to the national park. We check out Kalbarri's famous skywalk for an unforgettable sunrise and hike to nature's window. Get ready for some spectacular views in this one that'll have you adding Kalbarri straight onto your travel bucket list. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in our next episode.